Hello friends and welcome to my video series on H.S.C Mathematics for Maharashtra Board. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Amazing Maths and press bell icon to stay updated. In this session we will learn basics of logic. First we shall study statements and its truth value including definition and notations. Logical connectives of 5 types. Compound statement using these logical connectives. And last, truth values or truth tables of compound statement. Starting with the definition of statement, in view of mathematics, a statement is a declarative, that is assertive sentence which is either true or false, but not both simultaneously. For the truth value, if a statement is true, then its truth value is T, and if the statement is false, then its truth value is F. And by definition, each statement is either true or false. But we have some cases in which sometimes statement is true, sometimes false. So we define if the truth value of a statement depends upon the situation. Such statements are open statement. For example, x plus 3 is equals to 9. In this case, x plus 3 is equals to 9 is true in case x is equals to 6 and false otherwise. Thus, x plus 3 is open statement. And such a open statement is not a mathematical statement. So in this chapter, we shall use small letters P, Q, R and so on to denote the statement. Remember the part that the statements or the sentences of the type interrogatives, exclamatory, commands, order, suggestion, and requests. All such types of sentences are not considered as mathematical statement. So we define logical connective, the word or phrase which are used to connect two statements are called connectives. In this chapter, we will learn the connectives and, or, if, then, if and only if, not. Simple statements. A statement which cannot be split further into two or more statements is called simple statement. For example, Mumbai is capital of Maharashtra, and a statement which is combination of two or more statement is called compound statement. For example, 3 is prime is first and 4 is even second. Now we define compound statement. First is conjunction. If two statements are combined by using logical connective and, it is called conjunction. It is read as P and Q or P conjunction Q. And P conjunction Q is said to be true if and only if both P and Q are true. Second is disjunction. If two statements are combined by the logical connective or, then it is called disjunction. It is read as P or Q or P disjunction Q, and it is said to be false if and only if both P and Q are false. Third is conditional. It is one of the important one. If two statements are combined by using the logical connective if then it is called conditional. It is read as P implies Q or P conditional Q. And P conditional Q is said to be false if P is true and Q is false. Fourth one is biconditional. If two statements are combined by using the logical connective if and only if, then it is called biconditional. It is read as P double implies Q, and it is said to be true if both P and Q have the same truth values. And last is the negation. For any given statement P, there is another statement which is defined to be true when P is false, and vice versa. It is called negation of P. Now we shall discuss truth tables of these compound statement as we define. First is conjunction. For conjunction, both statement is true, then resultant is true, otherwise false. We highlight the first case. In case of disjunction, as we define, if both are false, then false, otherwise truth value are true. In case of conditional, P implies Q is false if first is true, second is false. In all other cases, it is true. Biconditional. For biconditional, P double implies Q is true when both the statement have same truth value and false otherwise. And for negation, we have opposite truth value of that of P. That's all from this session. Thank you for watching. In next section of this video series, we will discuss the examples of exercise 1.1 of textbook. If you want this video in Marathi, please comment. For more information, like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel Amazing Math.